Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I'm going to give you 4 all-time favorite idioms of IELTS examiners. Yes, that's right. So guys, let's take a start. The first idiom is I am on cloud 9. I am on cloud 9 means I am extremely happy and excited. So you can say I will be on cloud 9 when the lockdown finishes. Or I am on cloud 9. I've just got the IELTS band score I need. Yahoo! Okay? So remember this sentence. When you get your desired band score, you should say, I am on cloud 9. I've just got the IELTS band score I need, and inshallah, very soon you will say this sentence. My prayers and blessings are with you. Next, I am under the weather. I am under the weather means I am a little sick or not as well as usual. See, sometimes you are perfectly all right. So when you are not as well as usual, then you can say I'm a little sick means I am under the weather. Then you can say I am under the weather. So under the weather means to be a little sick or not as well as usual. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I think I'm getting a cold. Okay, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I think I'm getting a cold. Okay, so you can sometimes, if examiner asks you, how are you today? Say, well, I am under the weather. I think I'm getting a cold. But be careful, don't say it during the COVID time, then they will throw you out of that examination place. Just joking. Next, I'm snowed under. I am snowed under means I have too much to do, just like me. Okay, so when you are snowed under, it means you have too much to do, and we use it like I'm snowed under, he is snowed under, you are snowed under, like that. I'm totally snowed under at work. It means I have too much to do at my work. So this is third popular idiom that IELTS examiners really like. You can use any one of these idioms. If appropriate, you can use all of them, but it depends on the questions they ask you. Okay, for example, they say, how do you spend your Sunday? Well, actually, usually on Sundays, I'm always snowed under because there is too much to do and blah, 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 like that, okay? Last but not the least is, I'm right as rain. I'm right as rain means I'm healthy again. I'm right as rain means I'm healthy again, or well again means you are not fine but now you are fine. I'm feeling right as rain after a good night's sleep. Maybe before going to sleep you were tired or you had a little headache and all that, and then you say I'm feeling right as rain after a good night's sleep. Okay, so these are 4 idioms in 4 minutes I taught you. Definitely you can use them in your IELTS speaking test. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe my channel. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.